In today's video, we are going to talk about a time intelligence function in Power BI, that is MTD, QTD, and YTD. So let's get started. Now, what is MTD, QTD, and YTD in time intelligence? So as you all must be aware, MTD stands for month till date, QTD stands for the quarter till date, and YTD stands for year till date. Okay. So why these functions are used in Power BI? So MTD, QTD, and YTD are time intelligence DAX function which support calculation to compare the aggregated data over time periods like days, months, quarter, and years. Okay. So basically what this function will do is, whichever function you are using, MTD, QTD, or YTD, what it will do is it will calculate the total aggregated data and distribute that into months, quarters, and year. So in order to use this time intelligence function in Power BI, we need to have a well-formed date table or date columns in Power BI data model. Okay. So if I want to use this MTD, QTD, or YTD in my Power BI DAX, I should have a proper structured date table or a date column in the data model that I have uploaded in Power BI. If we do not have any date column or if we do not have any date tables in Power BI, we will not be able to calculate or use this MTD, QTD, or YTD functions in Power BI. Okay. So what this MTD function does? So this MTD function will take a certain expression within a month using filters. Okay. So what it will do is it will find the latest month in the data model and it will calculate your data from first of that month till the latest date in that particular month. Okay. So if I want to give you an example, let's take an example. I have a data in my data model from 1st of December till 22nd of December. Okay. So what this MTD function will do is it will take the 1st of December as a date and 22nd of December as the latest date from that date table or a date column, and it will give me the aggregated value as MTD. Okay. So that's what an MTD function does. QTD, it's quarter till date and it checks certain things from the start to the end of the dates in a column using filters within a quarter. Okay. So as you all know, quarter till date will be for 3 months. So we have 4 quarters in a year. So what it will do is, based on the latest month or the data, it will calculate the expression over time periods of 3 months and it will give you the value. Similarly, year till date, it also goes and checks something from the start date to the end date in the column for the whole year using filters. Okay. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and see how we can use these functions to calculate the values. So I am into Power BI desktop and we are seeing a time intelligence DAX, that is MTD, QTD, and YTD. I have a business scenario, which is I want to know the total answered calls from current month, current quarter, and current year. Okay. So basically I have a call center data. Let me show you the data. So a call center data gives me total offered calls, total answered calls, abandoned calls, so on and so forth. So as per my scenario, what I want to do is I want to calculate the total answered calls for current month, current quarters, and current year. Okay. So let us see how we can do that. So before we start, let us create a measure. Let me increase the size. Let me rename this as total answer calls equals to sum of answered calls. So this is a very simple measure. We are using it to calculate MTD, QTD, and YTD. Okay, let me bring that measure here and show you the total answer call in the entire data is around 4 millions. Okay, let me go and display the unit as none. So you can see the exact numbers for the total answered call in the data that I have. Okay. So now what I have to do is calculate the current month till date. So let me create a new measure. Let me rename this as current MTD. Okay. Equals to now. So the function that we are going to use is total MTD. Okay. So let me type as total. Let's take this MTD. So what this total MTD function does is it evaluates the specified expressions over the interval which begins on the first of the month and ends with the last date in the specified date column after applying specified filters. Okay. So as I showed you in my previous slide, a total MTD will calculate the data starting from first till the latest date in the data model. Okay, for the latest month. So now let me give the expression. Let's take the expression as total answered calls. Okay. Now after expression, it is asking me for the date. So let me give a comma and let me add the date. So the date will be the dates column. Okay. From the same data set, I do not have a different date column or a date table. Okay. So let me go and click to commit to the formula, and what will happen is I will get my total MTD sales. Okay. Let me copy this visual and bring this current MTD here. Okay. So you see what had happened is it has calculated the current month MTD, and the total that you get here is 194,372 is the total current MTD. Okay. To verify this, let us go to the Excel file. Okay. You see, I have a data from Jan 2022 till December 2023. Okay. So what it has done is it has taken the latest month, that is December month, and from 1st of December till 31st of December, it has calculated the total answered calls and given us the value. Okay, so to verify this, let me show you. Let me take this as sum. Okay, let me enter, and you see I got the value as 194,372. And if I go to my Power BI, I got the same value as 194,372. Okay, so this is how you can calculate the MTD using the total MTD function in Power BI. Okay, similarly, now let us go and calculate the total quarter till date. Let me copy this visual, bring it here. Let me take one more visual here. Okay, let me remove the current MTD. Okay, now let us go and calculate the QTD. Let us click on a new measure. Let me rename this as current QTD equals to, now let's take total QTD. Again, it will specify the expression over the interval of 3 months. Okay, let me take the total answered calls, comma, and dates from the dates column. Close the bracket, commit to the formula, and I will get the quarter till date value. Okay, let me bring this quarter till date in this, and you see I got the quarter value as 575956. Okay, so what this function has done is it has taken the 3 months data starting from October, November, and December, 3 months, and it has given me the value. Okay, so if I just want to verify this, let me go to the Excel file again. Let me remove this. Let me go to 1st of October. Let me take the sum from 1st of October till December, and I got the value as 575956, which is similar to what I'm looking here. Okay. Now let us go and calculate the year till date. Same, we will have to follow the same step. Let me rename this as current YTD. So what it will do is it will take year till date. So I have data from 2022 till December 2023, but year till date will take data starting from 1st of January 2023 till 31st of December 2023. Okay, let me take the function as total YTD, expression as total answer call and dates from the dates column. Close the bracket, commit to the formula. Okay, let me bring this current YTD here, and I got 2285776 as the total year till date answered calls. Let me go to the Excel file, delete this. Let me go to 1st of January. Okay, let me go to 1st of January. Take this sum. I got the value as 2285776. Okay, so this is how you can use the time intelligent function MTD QTD YTD in Power BI DAX. Okay, so just to verify, let me take a new page. So let me take the matrix visual here. Let me bring the dates column. Let me bring the current MTD, current QTD, and current YTD here. Okay, let me increase the value to 20. Okay, let me increase the row headers value as well. Okay, and let me increase the column headers. Okay, so this is how your current MTD, current QTD, and YTD looks like. So if I just want to go to my previous page, let me bring all these visuals here. Okay, so you see this is 194372 is my total MTD for the month of December. If I go and drill down, you see for the month of December 194372 is what I got. Similarly, if I take this as current quarter will be my fourth quarter. 575956 is what I got. It has taken all the aggregated value from October, November, and December and given me the value. And then I have the total year, that is my current year till date, as 2285776. If you can see what it has done for the entire year of 2023, I got the same value. Okay, so this is how you can use the MTD, QTD, and YTD time intelligence function in Power BI. Okay, so yes, that's all about in today's video. Hope you like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.